Ever wondered how to transform a dull, outdated dining space into a stylish modern haven without breaking the bank? Well, stick around because I'm about to show you how I just did that from wreck to wow in just a few simple steps. On today's video, I'm going to take you on a journey from a pre-renovation to a fresh modern dining room that's full of character and thrifted finds. Trust me, you don't need to spend a fortune to create a space you love. Here's the dining room, how it was prior to doing any work. And then we went ahead and stripped back the old walls. We skimmed and smoothed everything out and then giving it a fresh coat of paint. I wanted a look that was clean, contemporary and inviting. The story behind this chair was initially I was eyeing a set of mid-century chairs from a seller, and then we agreed on the price and went to go and collect the chairs. And then after a few days, the seller sent me a message and said, oh no, I found someone who's going to get the chairs and the table together. So I was a little bit disappointed because, we'd set the price and we've agreed when to go and pick them up. And then later on, he changed his mind and gave it to someone else. And then I remembered I prayed a little prayer and asking God to help me find a better deal. And guess what? I found 5 more mid-century chairs for less than £20. Can you believe that? It was beyond what I expected, especially after the initial letdown. I truly believe that when we ask in faith, God cares about even the little things. So go ask God in faith and he will do it for you. Then I went ahead and prepped the chair by getting rid of the yellow coat. If you're interested on how I strip the chair, you can click on this video which give you step-by-step guide on how to do it. Here are the 4 chairs which have been sanded down and have been sealed and they look nice and ready. So as you can see the difference from how the chair looks after being stripped and before, the difference is day and night. If you can remember from my last dining room video, I had these 6 chairs and I needed more chairs on the other side, but we're using the cardboard barrels to sit on and they did serve their purpose, and I was not so sure whether I was going to keep them or I was going to put a bench or I was going to buy extra chairs to put on this side. So this is where the other chairs are going to go. I also added this butterfly chair, also known as a BKF chair, on the side, and this is how my dining room is looking. I think this is one of the area that I'm really pleased on how it's turned out. I've got a few touches that I need to put here and there, but until then it looks amazing. Somewhere that I'm pleased on how I've designed it and how it's all come together. I'm also planning to reupholster these chairs once I get my staple gun fixed, and I'm amazed how 3 pieces can be transformed into a statement furniture with a little love and creativity. I also turned the Welsh dresser into a focal point that is both beautiful and functional. Instead of usual plates or traditional decor, I decided to swap them out for a collection of vases. This simple change instantly gave the dresser a modern, minimalistic vibe. But here's the clever part. This dresser isn't just for display, it also doubles as a smart storage. I've hidden away the toy boxes behind the doors, keeping the room tidy and clutter-free. So with a few simple styling choices, I've transformed these Welsh dressers from just a storage piece into a stylish statement that also keeps my home organized. Whether you are updating an old piece or looking for a creative way to organize, remember, mixing modern decor like vases with practical storage can totally change the look and feel of your space. I purposely chose the walnut table to match with the Welsh dresser because there's something about walnut that is beautiful, and the deep richness that instantly adds depth and character to any room. It also creates warmth and welcoming vibe that makes you want to relax and stay a while. And walnut is very versatile and it can be paired beautifully with neutral tones and pops of color, or even other wood finishes like the way I've paired with the oak chairs. It kind of really ties in together. It's like the perfect backdrop that enhances your decor without overpowering it. And the best thing about walnut is that it's timeless and it never goes out of style. It's a great choice whether you're going for modern, rustic or eclectic look. If you're looking to create a home that feels warm and full of personality, I highly recommend incorporating walnut tones. So here's a quick recap: from stripping walls, adding modern touches, to finding affordable thrifted pieces. I've created space that feels fresh and personal without spending a fortune. If you love this transformation and want more tips on decorating your home on a budget, don't forget to subscribe. I'll be sharing more DIY ideas, thrift hauls, and simple ways to make your space uniquely yours, all without breaking the bank. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.